burners, hot chicken for about a half hour.
Fucking teabag me, dude.
Primo.
He's still going on the teabag.
That kid's gotta be 8 too. You're just bad at games.
Well, if he's Korean, it's fair.
Okay, look at these.
Holy shit.
Something about these wings.
You went to Whole Burners.
Whole Burners, hot chicken.
Fuck. Dude, those look really spicy, dude.
Grab it.
You better be careful. Oh, fuck, it smells spicy. You better be careful, dude.
Just something about this chicken, man. I can't stop eating it.
But you really need to slow down, because you're not good with hot food, dude.
I can't help it.
Like, this is pretty spicy. Like, I'm feeling it a little bit. You're not good with hot food. You're still half white.
I still get the hiccups?
Yeah, I know. That's not a good sign for you, though. We've talked about this. Dude, you need to slow the fuck down. Why are you eating like you're fucking starving to death? Dude, are you good? Why are you pausing? Yo. Hey, yeah. Are you like... Yo, you're turning like... Yo! Dude, are you good? Stop eating the chicken, dude! Dude, are you fine? Henry! Henry! Oh! Henry! Dude, are you good? Oh, fuck. I got you, dude. Ooh! Fuck. That was fucking gnarly, dude. You okay?
Oh, yeah.
I told you to slow down on the fucking chicken, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, dude, that's what just fucked you. Oh, you fucking moron! Oh, yeah. You're so dumb. That's child behavior.